Chapter the 3rd, the $6,000 fish. Hello, I'm Dr. Doogie from the super awesome Science Center over there. Our team of science dudes just returned from the mountain. We went there to dig up Flippy the psychophonetic fish. Why you would dig him up? Because we want to study his amazing brain, duh. But I thought Flippy was dead. He is. But unfortunately, he was perfect, preserved in ice. So, dog man, see, not a scratch on him. What wonders can Flippy's brain teach us? What knowledge can we gain? What powers lie in wait of discovery? Uh-oh, Dogman is rolling around that dead fish. No, and he is doing it to Flipporania. Introducing Flipporania. Remember, while you're flipping, be sure to see the image on page 43. And on page 45, if you kind of flip quickly, the two pictures will start to look like one animated cartoon. Don't forget to add your own effects. Bad doggy, look what you did. Flippy is squished. You've ruined everything. Go sit and there look sad. Slider! Oh, why do you guys have to be so mean to Buddy? He broke every bone in the fish's body. So what is it already dead? How are we supposed to study the brain of the squished fish? I know, we could rebuild him. We can make him better than he was. Faster, stronger, fishier. That's a good idea. Let's go back to the super awesome science center. Over there. Okay. Come on, Dogman. You can help us, but you still have to look sad. That's better. The super awesome science center over there. Soon, the scientists had a big operation. They replaced all Flippy's broken bones with bionics. Flippy was a new, more machine than fish. Boy, Flippy is dead. But I know he's going to be so dangerous that he ever came back to life. Well, I'm glad we don't need to worry about that. Me too. With Dogman guarding, it won't go wrong. Let's go home and go head someplace. Good idea. We'll study super mega Flippy's brain tomorrow. Good night, Dogman. Don't let anything bad happen. Slam. bonk, throw, run, bonk, jump, damn. Meanwhile, in the bin,